Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Easy English. Easy English presents for you a travelogue, a short trip into the lap of nature. It's morning 7 o'clock. The bus is ready. The passengers are also ready. All are happy. The journey starts. All the sights and scenes are moving in front of the eyes. This is a day of great expectation. Inside the bus, the celebration starts. All are so happy and delighted, laughing, smiling, chatting. All are really enjoying. Outside is green. It's a time of breakfast. All are waiting for breakfast. After the breakfast, the journey continues. The first destination is Konni for bowl boat ride or Kuttavanji Savari. All are so much excited to have it. Both sides are forest. Forest department's boat can be seen on either side. This green is so beautiful. Everywhere is green. Green is welcoming you. Green is the color of energy. The destination arrives. Konni Kuttavanji Savari. This is the entrance where you can see this kind of boats. So, in the forest, there is a river. This is Kallar. Kerala Forest Department and Tourism Development Corporation jointly make this venture. The bowls are ready. Every day thousands of passengers are coming here for this wonderful ride. The boatmen are trained men. They are expert in sailing this boat. Seats are arranged. These green seats are for the travelers. The scene is very refreshing. Everywhere is green. There is a tree remembering a massive umbrella. Its shade is so cool and refreshing. It fills you more energy. Boats are getting ready. The journey begins. The water is so cool, so fresh, and it's pure. Everywhere is green. The water is also green. She's scared. The water is so calm, cool, and refreshing. There are two types of ride. One is for half an hour, another is for 1 hour. Actually, that is not for 1 hour. We get only 40 minutes. but it is worth. Actually, this is a bliss. This is a celestial bliss. The bowl is circling and circling. That's why the video is getting shaken. It is circling and circling. Both sides are green. The water is so calm and slow, but somewhere it is fast and white. See, the water is getting faster. Yes, and white. Here it is very fast and swift. There's a bridge. This man is very friendly. The cool water. The journey ends. All are back. This is where the journey ends. From here, the journey resumes to another place. This is to Thenmala in Kollam district. This is also interesting. Both sides are forest and a long tarred road. Here and there we can see the boards of Kerala Forest Department. Looking at the screen is so thrilling. Tall and short trees. Foliage. Everything is interesting. So beautiful. This journey is to Palaruvi waterfalls in Kollam district and Thenmala Dam. You can see Thenmala board here. How green is this? Oh, here comes Anavandi. So interesting. So the Palaruvi waterfalls. From here you can take this bus of Kerala Forest Department and see the waterfall. This also goes through the forest road. From the bus you can get here and walk to the waterfall. This is a rough way, a rough path. From a very long distance you can hear the sound of the water splash and dash. That white is the waterfall. A bewitching sight. Very cooperative, very much helping. The waterfall is near. Yes, this is the Palaruvi. Thousands of people are coming every day to watch this beautiful sight. It's so beautiful, so marvelous, it's wonderful. The water is so chill, so cool. Back from the Palaruvi, enjoying the rain in the forest. So thrilling, so exciting, this rain.